Hello guys, is your phone getting slowed down? Or maybe when your PC? Oh god, that's a big problem, right? No, I've got ideas to make them fast. So let's get started without any delays, shall we? So guys, before I start the video, I wanted to tell that the PC part can be skipped too from the description. I have the timestamp there, and also watch the video till the end so that you make sure your phone doesn't lag, or maybe when your PC doesn't lag. So let's get started. The first thing you will ever want to do is clear up your home screen from these widgets and apps which you don't need or you don't use often. So what I'll do is remove the widgets like the Chrome bar and all these apps. The thing you should do is hold down and delete these from the home screen. This helps the most. And let's get to the second part. So the second thing you want to do is clear up your internal storage from videos and photos that you no more need, and if they are needed, you back up in them into cloud or a local computer which you have in your home, or laptops, or a hard drive. Even an SD card will do. If nothing is available, you might want to install Google Photos, log into it with your Google account, then go to its settings, then use backup and sync. This should help you. I use high quality preset. You might use all the other presets too. This should help you in reducing your load into internal storage. So the third thing you want to do is not use cleaner apps. Like I have a cleaner app in my MIUI which I cannot remove. Even Samsung and many other manufacturers have these cleaner apps, which is not usually necessary for a phone. Android 6 and above has a better quality cleaner management than this. So please do not use cleaner apps. So the next thing you want to do is use launchers such as Nova Launcher, Niagara Launcher, and even the Microsoft Launcher if you want a Windows friendly interface in your phone which has Android. So the last thing left is to reset your phone. If nothing is working out, you might want to reset your phone. So go to settings, search for reset, then click on factory reset, then click on erase all data. Remember, this will bring your phone back to the factory state. That is how it came out from the factory. Nothing will be left. Everything will be removed from your phone. Remember to remove out your SD card while you are resetting your device. Bonus tip, if you want to make your phone feel a bit fast, not make it fast, just feel a bit fast about it, then go to about phone, keep pressing on MIUI version if you have a MIUI phone, or build number in your stock Android phone if that's a stock Android phone. Then you will have enabled developer options. After this, developer options should be available now. Then go to developer options, then search for something called window animator scale. This is the window animator scale or the window animation scale. Set all the three, like the transition animation scale and the animator duration scale, to 0.5x. What this does is makes your phone apps like Spotify and everything open a bit faster but takes time to load. What I said was it makes the apps feel a bit faster. So guys, that was the end of the mobile part, and let's get started with the PC. The first thing you want to do in the PC is stop Windows updates. And how do you do that? First, click on start, click on run and press enter. You will get something like this, and press services.msc and press enter. This should take you to a dialog which should look something like this. Then you might want to search Windows Update in here. I've got the Windows Update. Right click on this and click on Properties. Go to Startup Type and then press Manual or Disabled. If you want your updates to be taken whenever you need it, keep it on manual. If you don't need it, click on disabled and then click apply. So this should stop Windows updates and this should help you the most. The second thing is to turn on your high performance mode. This especially helps when you have laptops. So what you do is press Windows button, then search for power. Choose a power plan, should be the option you would be choosing right now. Go to this dialog box, select high performance. What this does is raise your clock speeds of your CPU so that your computer becomes faster. The second thing and the third thing actually is to stop the startup applications. Go to task manager, then go to startup, disable all these. Like the one quick heal, I want it, so I've not disabled it. If I want, I can disable Spotify right now for you. See, it's enabled right now. Click on disable down below on the bottom right corner here. Click on disable. This should disable it, and the next time the BIOS settings or the BIOS time will take very less time to boot. And then install the latest drivers from your manufacturer's website. Also clear your desktop and your downloads folder. Most of your downloads take up space in the C boot up folder or drive. This usually has Windows which gets slowed down due to excessive storage in that drive. The next thing you want to do is try ReadyBoost. If you have a pen drive, attach it to the computer. I have this pen drive which is optimized for OBS right now, so I cannot use it for ReadyBoost, but I'll show you how to do it. Right click on the pen drive, go to properties and then click on ReadyBoost. There will be an option called, it will scan once and then there will be option called use. Select the amount of data you want to use for ReadyBoost and then click apply and then OK. Then your PC should feel a bit faster. Also, if you have an antivirus, be sure to check for viruses. How you do is open that antivirus software and then you scan. Scan usually does a quick scan, and if you want to scan the whole PC, you can also do that. This should help you fasten up your PC. If none of these work, the thing that you should do is reset your PC. What you do is go to the settings, search for reset. There should be a thing called reset this PC. Then get started with it. You should select one of these two. The dialog box says it all. So these should help you. Thank you guys for seeing the whole video. If you have been seeing it till now, it's been a great way. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.